Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change fonts and color on Blogger. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in www.blogger.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, and you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the left side, we have, as you can see, new posts, stats, comments, earnings, pages, layout, theme, settings, and reading list. In the top right corner, as you can see, we have your profile and everything about it. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change fonts and color on Blogger. So first of all, what you need to go and do is go and click on, of course, your post or create a new post, like so. And here you go and type in some letters. You can then go here and click on, of course, here. You can add more fonts. You have default fonts, or as you can see, you have these fonts that are here. For, of course, changing the color, you, of course, need to go and click on here, text background color, and text color. Then you can publish when you're satisfied with your work. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.